We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 6x12 enclosed trailer. At the front we do have our jack hitch as well as the safety chains. This trailer has 24-inch stone guard along the front and trim of the trailer. There is a 32-inch passenger side door that has a latch bar lock as well as a handle at the top of your door. This trailer does have a black screwed exterior. Coming to the rear of the trailer, we do have a spring assisted loading ramp with an extended flap. There are LED brake lights, and the trailer is secured with the latch bar locks as well. Coming inside the trailer, you do have your door from the inside. There is a 12-volt dome light as well as a light switch by your door. This trailer does have two vents, one at the front and one at the rear of the trailer. This trailer does have 3/8 plywood walls and 3/4 plywood flooring. There is a 6-foot interior height. You have your spring assist at the back with your ramp. This trailer also has the diamond plate fenders as well as one 3,500-pound axle on 15-inch rims and tires. Once again, this is a 6x12 black enclosed trailer with the silver stone guard trim. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.